Despite rainy weather today, some candidates went house to house as the campaign period for the barangay and SK elections officially kicked off. Posters were also put up with the help of their supporters. The campaign period will last for 10 days or until October 28, 2 days before the elections. The COMELEC said it will strictly monitor the campaigning of candidates to ensure the set regulations are followed.
Kapag kayo po ay nahulihan namin na lumalabag sa campaign rules, mauwi po ito sa pagsasampa namin ng kaso na petition for disqualification at pati na rin po ang election offense na isang criminal case po.
The COMELEC will also remove campaign posters located away from common areas and those which violate the mandated sizes or dimensions. BSKE candidates are vying for 42,000 positions for barangay chairperson and 294,000 for kagawad. The Philippine National Police, on the other hand, will strengthen election checkpoints. They will also observe maximum tolerance in the implementation of campaign and election rules.
Kung may mga maoobserbahan po silang mga illegal campaigning po on the part of the mga candidates po, ang instruction po doon ay i-document po at ipagbigay alam po sa COMELEC. Ang COMELEC through their local election officers po ang may karapatan po para mag-send po ng notice doon po sa mga kandidatong mag-violate po doon sa mga campaign election guidelines po. At once sila po ay mapapadalahan po ng notice, ay susunod po doon yung pag-i-issue po ng show cause order. Basta on the part of the PNP po, being one of the deputized agency po ng COMELEC po, ay tutulong po tayo sa COMELEC para i-enforce po yung mga ipinalabas po nilang guidelines and resolution pertaining po dito po sa mga tinatawag po nating mga election offenses po.
The PNP can provide security but only for campaign routes and venues and not for a specific candidate.
Pagka mga ganito pong mga campaign sorties po ay hindi po pwedeng sumama po ang PNP dahil alam po natin we should be a non-partisan entity po. However, may mga cases po na kung sakasakaling hihilingin po ng sino man pong kandidato na sila ay masecure because there are perceived threats against their life, then they have to force through their request pa rin po sa COMELEC.
187,000 cops will be deployed. Heightened alerts will be in place and extend throughout the holidays. There have been 18 validated election-related incidents thus far, mostly cases of shooting incidents, kidnapping, grave threats, violation of the gun ban, and armed encounter. These were recorded in the Calabarzon, Ilocos Region, Bicol, Visayas, and Bangsamoro regions, and other parts of Mindanao. Patrick De Jesus for The Nation.